Hey new homeowners, got your keys and ready to renovate? Let's talk about something crucial before you start. Mirrors aren't just for checking your outfit, they can impact your home's energy. Let's uncover the mysteries together. Northeast mirrors can disrupt family harmony and even fertility. Let's keep the vibes positive. Southwest mirrors might affect mom's well-being. Let's create a peaceful sanctuary. Southeast mirrors can impact mental stress. Let's ensure your mental wellness remains tranquil. East mirrors are absolute no-no as they may invite mishaps to show up unexpectedly. Remember, aim for south, west, northwest and north for optimal mirror placement. Keep your home's energy flowing. That's all for mirrors. Stay tuned for open concept mistakes. Want exclusive tips on avoiding feng shui blunders? Comment Reno for our top 5 mistakes to avoid during renovation.